Well, good morning. Take you with me to go do rounds this morning. Let's start with this little guy first. Oh, I'm petting you already. Petting you already. He's my good boy. Oh, good morning. Yeah, be me. Oh, I know. Let me get you off here. Okay, good boy. Come on. Let's let the birds out. Whoa. We'll leave them for Mama. Hi, big boy. There you go. Good morning. Good morning. There's my birds. There's my birds. Come on, big boy. Back up. Back it up. Good morning. Yay. Everybody's out. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. 10. 10. Okay. They're out. Let's let these guys out. Give them a little sun. So these guys are staying in here until we build a nesting area that is further away from the chickens. And we're good here. I need to put the fence up. They have their food. Okay. Take care of the pigs. So right now we are keeping the little chickens in this area to get them accustomed to putting themselves back to bed at night. Okay. Because they were going to roost over there underneath the stairs at Mom's camper. Now, this thing is working great. I just want to turn the brooder off. I want to check the brooder and turn the brooder off. Okay. So it's on heater. Oh yeah, that's warm. Okay. Got a cold storm coming. Actually, I'll just leave this down. Turn that off for the daytime. And that way they can go on either side. Let's take a look inside here. See how dirty or clean it is. They could definitely use it cleaning out. But we're good here. Hi everybody. Let's go to the pigs real quick. Okay. Sorry, my fence got a little quirky. Okay, so take this bucket with me to feed the dog while I'm in here. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, I had to turn off the radio. We had a interesting situation in here over the weekend. It really rained one day, and we started hearing electrical popping and shorting, and then there was a lot of smoke. Seemed like a fire. I ended up having to pull all this stuff out of here, cut a hole in the floor, and we found an exposed wire under there that wasn't going anywhere. So I capped it off. I set it over here underneath this window, and when I have an opportunity, I'm going to install an outlet outside. Alright, well, this is already pre-made from yesterday. When we're done feeding, we fill it back up and put some water in it. I forgot to get him a chew stick, but that doesn't have to be every day. Hard to do with one hand. Alright, picnics. Morning, pigs. Oh, pigs had free range last night. Yeah. Hi, pigs. Alright. One hand. End up pouring it on somebody's head. Line it out of my hand over here. Alright. Sure. Okay. How's everybody doing this morning? Hi, Fluffo. It's empty. Okay. There you go. There's the chores. Just gonna go back and throw some scoops in the food, give it a little bit of water. Everybody looks good here. And since this is open, I don't have to open that up. Just a quick look around the fence line. I can see it looks fine. And they have water there as well. Alright. Good morning, Hootie. Okay. Sit back. Fill this up with food. And be done. I think what I'll do for water is just use this. I'll refill that when I come out to do the ducks later. The chicken water, says they all look okay right now. Yeah. Okay. And we'll do one whole scoop is approximately full 4 cups. So the pigs are, each getting 2 cups a day. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, as long as they're sharing the food. Basically, chores are done. Less than 10 minutes. For normal feedings, twice a day. And it doesn't take long to clean up either, because I've set it up that you just rake it over into a pile and cover it up with fresh chippies. Everything's real close, real easy. Now I end up moving these guys in here until we get a secondary shelter set up. Look at how big. It's like every night you guys wake up just bigger and bigger. And that's why you guys are in that one. There's my baby duck. There's my baby duck. This is full of grit. Ducks really seem to like it. Everybody likes it. Well, hi, bird. Oh, my baby bird. Oh, my baby bird. Hey, your baby duck came out. Hi, baby duck. How you doing today? You looking good. You are. I don't know what that was. Thanks for watching. I always like to take a little bit of time to let all the animals know I love them. I have to go back and do the pigs after they've eaten because you can't do anything while the pig's eating. Hope to see you next video. Love you later. Bye.